Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple and festive holiday drink. It's called Coquito, and in Puerto Rico, this is our version of, I guess, something similar to eggnog, but it doesn't contain any eggs. Although there are versions of the recipe that will contain eggs, my recipe here today does not, so you don't have to worry about that. So first thing that you want to do is get your ingredients, which you're going to want to get some cream of coconut, and I usually use Coco Lopez, but they didn't have it at the store today. So we're using the Iberia brand, and it's actually really, really good. So I've never tried it before until today. I made one batch and it's delightful. So you'll want to get one of these cans of the cream of coconut. Then you're going to want to get some carnation. And this is your evaporated milk. I got the low fat, save some calories where you can. And then the last thing is going to be your sweetened and condensed milk. So those are the 3 cans that you're going to want to purchase. You'll also want to get some vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And then you'll want to have some cinnamon sticks on hand for garnish. So I like to make it especially around the holidays. And this was a nice little kit that I found on Amazon where you can get the bottles. It gives you the caps. It gives you the shrink wrap, the label in the front and everything. So these are really great gifts that you can give to people. I'm a realtor, so it's really nice to be able just to hand one to someone and say Merry Christmas. You can make it virgin without any alcohol, or you can add some Bacardi, some Puerto Rican rum. We are actually making some batches here today that are going to be without alcohol. So, but if you wanted to make it a little extra festive, you can add as much or as little rum as you want, or none at all, and it tastes delightful either way. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make that. You want to get your blender out. What I do is I clean, of course, all the tops of the cans. You're going to want to add your ingredients one by one. So this is the cream of coconut. Add that in there all the way. Don't miss any ingredients, because you know what? Things are expensive these days. Then you're going to want to take your evaporated milk, throw that in there as well. And then you're going to take your condensed milk. I used to love eating this stuff, drinking it out of the can. No, I'm sorry. It'll give you a really bad tummy ache, but it tastes so good. So you'll take all of that in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which I've already measured out, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, which gives you a little bit of spicy flavor. So you want to go ahead and cover this up and blend it. Okay, so once everything is completely mixed up, you can go ahead and add it into your bottles. Now, this amount, those 3 cans will actually fill up about a 750 ml bottle. It's kind of similar to your regular standard bottle of wine, and you'll still have a little bit left over. Now, if you add alcohol to it, which to this amount, I would usually add about 1/3 of a cup of alcohol to it, you will have a little bit more left over to fill up another bottle. So I do want to make sure that you understand that because of the fat content of the coconut, you are going to have, it's going to look like it's standing here at the top, kind of coagulating at the top when you are leaving it in the refrigerator for a little while. So you want to make sure that you shake it up really, really well before you serve it. And also you can run it under warm water if you would like. There's also going to be a coconut or a cinnamon stick inside here, because I like to put a nice fresh cinnamon stick inside. You want to make sure before you serve that you take that cinnamon stick out and you don't serve it to someone. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together inside of these bottles so you'll see what it looks like to put everything all together and have it completed, and then we'll go from there.